wave of premium handhelds is on the way, and MSI's upcoming Claw 8X AI Plus is leading the charge. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. MSI has revealed its latest handheld during a hands-on event at its headquarters in Taipei, Taiwan before Computex 2026. The Claw 8X AI Plus will be a successor of MSI's previous handhelds introduced in 2024 that cost around $800, but the new one's reportedly going to cost as much as $1,500, and it's coming out on June 23rd. You must be thinking it's expensive because, yes, it is, but to justify that high cost, the latest MSI handling is getting a major performance boost thanks to the new Intel Arc G3 Extreme chip. According to ZDNet Korea, the Claw 8X AI Plus offers an updated SSD design that lets owners easily upgrade the storage through an M.2 2280 slot. The handheld still gets up to 32 GB of memory, an 80 watt-hour battery, and an 8-inch touchscreen display with a 1920 by 1200 resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate. However, the hands-on event announced that the Claw 8X AI Plus will have improved haptics along with better ergonomic design for its buttons and joysticks. According to PC Gamer, MSI hasn't landed on a final price for the Claw 8X AI, but configuration on display at its event carries a $1,500 price. This means there could be more affordable choices with less memory and storage or a smaller display. However, that price estimate isn't too surprising considering the ongoing crisis around component cost. But if you really don't want to pay that much up and want a cheaper alternative to MSI's Claw 8X AI Plus, the Acer Predator Atlas 8 is a decent competitor and a handheld from 1X Player, both of which also feature the Arc G3 Extreme chips. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.